So one mistake would be ignoring climate suitability. Are you going to pick a product that is going to be suitable for our Colorado climate? How about a product that is going to protect your home from hail, from the snow, the freezing rain, the hot sun? Vinyl can warp, it can expand and contract, it can break when it's hit with hail. It will definitely fade pretty quickly. So are you gonna pick James Hardie? James Hardie is a durable product that is ideal for Colorado's climate. Another mistake is prioritizing cost over quality. You may be tempted to go with a product that is gonna save you a few bucks in the short term, but maybe that product is not going to be durable. You may think, well, we're not gonna be in the home forever. Well, that can end up still being a mistake, because when it comes time to list your home, to show your home, that's feedback that a lot of realtors get is, we really like this home, it's really great, but we're concerned because it has new vinyl siding on it. We don't know what's underneath that vinyl siding. They chose a cheap siding. We don't know if maybe they even replaced any potential water damage or rot underneath it. We don't know what other areas they might have taken shortcuts on the cost. And that can often end up costing you tens of thousands of dollars on the purchase of the home. Another thing that is related to that when it comes to maybe potentially selling your home in the future is ignoring curb appeal. Mismatched siding, or siding that doesn't look like it was done by a high quality company, can end up costing you money in the long run, even if it's just from an aesthetics perspective. One mistake is not doing your research. You really want to make sure that you are picking a company that is going to adhere to James Hardie's best practices. James Hardie's best practices is a manual for installing James Hardie siding. It's like 120 pages long. You want to pick a company that knows how to install James Hardie, that has years and years of experience doing it. They've done it on thousands of homes. They have high quality reviews. They're licensed, insured. Do your research. In line with that, installation expertise. Make sure that you're hiring a company that has long-standing installation expertise. They know local building code, they're licensed, insured, they are backed by James Hardie, backed by Pella. They know how to install the products, and they do a high quality job with the durable products that you're paying a premium cost for.